Hello and welcome back to Human Resource Machine. Year 32 is coming up, inventory report, and then I don't know, we're getting close here. Like after this break thing here, we have everything on one screen without scrolling that's left to do. So yeah, this is good. This is nice. I like that. All right, let's tackle year 32 inventory report. Inventory check, accounting verification, surprise audit. These are a few of my favorite things. So let's get started. Alright, for each thing in the inbox, send to the outbox the total number of matching items on the floor. For each thing in the inbox, send to the outbox the total number of matching items on the floor. Okay. How? Yeah, actually, how? How do I compare letters? Because I save it here or something. I just don't know how to compare. Tell me more. Yeah, how can you determine if two letters are equal? Maybe try the same thing you would do if they were numbers? Yes, B is just one more than A. You've made it this far, I'm sure you already knew that. Oh yeah, that's what I would have tried. Because it's the only thing I can try, really. So we copy. Alright, I think I need to save the 0 here, because I need the 0 again later, and I think I will also use the 0 as a break. I think. Maybe. Well, we need it like this, of course. Okay, so I grabbed the X and I put it here, 15. I grabbed the 0 and I put it here, 19. Okay. So now what do I do? I copy from the field that's referenced at 19, which is 0 now, and I sub 15. And I only want matching items, so I only care about 0. If it's 0, go and bump the counter. I don't have a counter yet. I need a second 0 here somewhere. And if it is 0, I want to bump the counter. And then I want to jump back up to here. And I also need to bump I need to bump 19 as well. I also need to bump it if it's not 0 though. I also need to jump out of there, I think. This might be not, yeah, it's probably not close to being optimized, but I think I can get a solution like that. I grab the thing out of the inbox, I put it here. I grab the 0 and I put it here and here. One is my counter, and one is my position, basically. Yeah. That's interesting. And then I copy the field that's referenced, which in this case is 0, because it's the first, it's b. X is not b, so x minus b is definitely not 0. So I bump up the counter and jump back up and do the same until I hit an X right here, in which case it is 0, in which case I go down and I bump the counter of same items on the floor up by 1, so I have 1 other X, and then I bump my, I don't know what this is, like my position, I think that's what I called it before, so let's stick with that position, up by 1, and I copy that here again, and I'm here. That should be good, I think. So I only need a break now if this is 0, that means that I'm done, because I've hit all the items on the floor. If the copy from 19 is, like if the value on field 19 position is 14, then I'm here and I'm picking up the 0, and if I pick up the 0 I'm done, because I've checked all the items, and that means that I need to copy from here and outbox that, and then jump back up. This is not a very beautiful solution. Like I have to bump 19 twice. Yeah, I don't know. This might be. Let's just see if it works. Oh, and also what I didn't consider is, do I have to start with 1 or with 0? Because I have one on. No, it's not on the floor though, technically, because that's not a that's not given that that's the case. So I should start with 0, I think. So yeah, this is working so far. X minus X is 0, so I bump up this and I bump up my position. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think that works. $11, $12, $13. It's lots of steps though. But I have to check every single one, I think. Yeah, I have to. There's no shortcut to that, really. At least I can't think of one. Let's see how close we are. 17-1. Ah. And we have the steps. Alright. One command. Can I get rid of one command? Ah, I wish. I wish I could. Let's see if there's a way for me. If I put the bump 19 up here, because this is where I come in from both of those. Like after the bump I go up here. But if I bump before the copy, that would mean that would mean that I start with 1 and skip 0, so that's not good. Unless I bump down, but then I have another command. Like I could bump the 19 field down to -1 up here. Is there another way to do it? I don't think so. I could change the sequence up, but it wouldn't really change anything, would it? I have to do that and that. And I have to keep the 0. That's interesting. I need both my position. Huh, could I, if I count this up as my position? Can I reset it? That would, how much would that save me? That would save me 1 copy to... No, that's not worth it. That would only save me 1 command, and I would have definitely have to use more than 1 to get the functionality back. This feels like something that's relatively easy to do again, and I don't see it. Where am I? Like, I know that this is not ideal. The bump, I have the bump twice. I think this is as good as it gets for the end here. I can't not do that. Because that's the only copy from 18 that I do. Copy from field is referenced by 19. If it's 0, I'm done. As long as it's not 0, I subtract this. Can I use... I can. Would it change anything? No, I can't do anything else here, right? Actually, what if I get rid of that? It ruins my end though, because now it's 0 when I start. Huh. This is interesting. Because what does this do if I do this? Then I subtract from the field referenced in 15. Would that do anything for me? What does that mean? That's interesting though. Bump the field that's referenced. But I can't. I'm not referencing these anywhere. I don't have 18 or 19 anywhere here. That's something to keep in mind though. The thing is that with the bump, I do have it in my hand already, so I don't need a copy from in here, but I need it out, like I need it before I go in. So I can't save a command like that, I could just put it out of the loop. That's, I go to the inbox. I'll start with the other thing. Is we copy to 0 because I need it at least another one time. I go to the inbox and copy that to this field right here, and then I have to. Yeah, I need a counter. I can't not have a counter thing. I need to count the amounts of matches, the matches. I need to count them, otherwise I can't outbox the number of matching items. And I can't count here, because then I don't know when to stop. Because if this is not 0, I don't know what it is. And I can't check, like, if it's 14, I can't. I don't have that number anywhere. No, that's no good way to do that. Okay, but this order allows me to do this. Does that help me? If it's not 0, bump up the counter, go back to the start. No, that doesn't help me. And if it is 0, bump up this one and this one. And jump back up here. But now I don't know what I have in my hand. I would need a copy from 15 or something. No, it doesn't work like that, because then I can't check if I'm done. I need to do it like this. I need to copy from the field I'm at, because only then I can check if it is 0. That sucks. Ah man, one command. I can't do it. Oh no, I can just do it like this. So, can I? No, I can't, because I'll pick up. I'll pick up the thing. I can't bump up 19 here, because then I have it in my hand. I have to do it inside. Ah, come on. There has to be a way. There has to be a way. No, it's been going so well the last episode and now I'm stuck. I go to the inbox, I put it down. I put a 0 in 2 spots. So it's actually like this. Copy from the field that is referenced by 19, which is because it's 0 here. B, and then I subtract this. And if it's 0, I bump the step up. That sucks. I can't do it. Because I can't have anything in between these two, because otherwise I can't check for 0. Is there another way for me to check if I'm done? Not really. Not an easy way. I guess I could check if what I have in my hand minus 15. No, that's not a good way. Minus 15 is 0. No, plus. Yeah. Yeah, that would be it. Because it's only 0 if that's 0. But that doesn't work. That doesn't work. That's more commands. Ah! I want to do this and I can't. Come on. So if I bump up here, I would have to bump down before. That's again 17, and the goal is 16 or fewer. And I can't get rid of this because I don't need the value that is in. Like I don't need. I need a reference. So I can't get rid of that because I don't want the number that is in field 19. I want the number that is referenced. I want the field that is referenced by the number that is in 19. So I can't get rid of that because the bump gives me the 19, the value here. So it would give me 0, but I don't want 0. I want B. I can't think of anything. This is frustrating. There's no good way for me. I don't see one. There has to be a good way. There has to be. It's probably pretty easy. I just can't figure it out right now. What don't I need? And I can't change, like I can't avoid the 0 check here. I guess it's the only way, like, what I mean is I can't have this, I can't use this 0 as anything other than the break. Because I can't reset it if I change it. If I could use this as a counter or something, or as the matches, counter for the matches. But then I wouldn't get it back to 0. I guess I could get it back to 0 in like 1,000 different ways, but or I could count down and then up again and down again and up again, but that wouldn't help me with the commands. I don't need the steps, so I don't care about that. That might be easier or something. Oh, but I guess I could have the bump down here. Can I do that and just jump here? Is that it? This takes so long to run. Yeah, I think. It didn't occur to me that I could jump down instead of up. For some reason. Should have. It really should have. 11, 12, 13, 14. There we go. Eleven, 12, 13, 14. There we go. And we have exactly 16 commands. So we're done, optimized, perfect. And where's Carol? Let's find out. Same old break room.
Hey, where's Carol? Oh my god. This coffee is amazing. Back to work, ladies.
I should get a cup of coffee now. Actually, I will once I'm done here.
Breaking. Previous reports of Machine Army evaluate to false. Everything equals 100% fine. Whether within pleasant tolerance parameters or human skin layer, you're all going to be fine.
Oh, so yeah, everything's fine. If the news tells us everything's fine, then everything's obviously fine. Career milestone 5 unlocked another achievement. There's probably there's only one more. End program. It looks like this one is going to be okay, I think, and then these ones I'm afraid of. And then these probably pretty hard to do. But yes, just the green path so far, not that bad. Episode length is all over the place recently, but yeah, I don't know. I want to get things done. So yeah, this is it for this episode, though. I hope you guys enjoyed, and next time we'll tackle the vowel incinerator and maybe the duplicate removal. We'll see if we get that far. And then after that, alphabetizer, scavenger chain, digit exploder, recoordinator, prime factory, sorting floor, and program. It's going to be interesting. I wonder how many more episodes to get it all optimized as well. It's probably going to be a few. It looks like I'm down to one episode, one per episode, one year. That's for this side, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, and then maybe 9, 10 more episodes to get everything done. Yeah, it's long series. Did not expect that, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. I got a cup of coffee now. Maybe you do the same, and we'll reconvene tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye.